Okay.
Good morning. The 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Sean Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no talking, no eating, no driving, and no smoking, no reading or any materials. Please make sure before your case is called, make sure you have your electronics on mute. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I tell you something? You got that emotional intelligence right there. You better make sure we have two to deal with you. Thank you very much.
Not listening. Good morning to everyone. What I'm going to try to do is get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm trying to get you out in the order that you came in. We ready to get started? I'm going to start with the city of Detroit, which is your main overview. Case number U696722224. I'll state the name for the record, Mr. Coley.
You're muted.
Jermaine Overman.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for review. I see you've paid your obligation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss your case, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Annie Erica Linebarger. Case numbers SP 1350447, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1435971, SP 1643834, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1643871, SP 165465. 3, counts 1, 2, 3, SP 1654654, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1682118, counts 1, 2, and 3, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Linebarger, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Let's see why we were back. I do have a valid registration file, Mr. Berry. I have valid insurance in the file as well. So what about, are we looking for license? Is that what we're looking for?
It would appear.
Speak during the breakout room, and let us know what you want to do. Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to as well. All right.
Okay.
All right. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Arthur Bowens Jr. Case number SP 1666443, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1667121, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1685051, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1685054, counts 1 and counts 2. Hearing for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Goins. Please state your name for the record.
Arthur Goins, Jr.
Good morning to you, Mr. Goins. It's the day and date time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Goins an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Goins, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I don't see his name on the docket unless I have the wrong one.
It was at 8:35, the second name from the top, on the second page, on my second page. If it-
I don't-
single,
I don't have that. On the
you need to get
second
up-
page, I have Gonzalez, and then it goes to Green.
You need to get an updated, document. Did you call?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Berry, are we ready?
We are ready, Your Honor, as to Ms. Linebarger.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lineberger. Ms. Lineberger, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a bench trial date in order to return with documents.
All right, that's what you want, Ms. Lineberger?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you a trial date of June the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Rashard Gordon G. Case number SB 1376939, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1424831. SB 1470538, counts 1. SP 1606566, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1623466, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1630579, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1630792, counts 1 and counts 2. Here, for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. G.
Rashard Gordon G.
Good morning to you, Mr. G. Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Berry, I did count more cases into the docket that are on here. Let's see where that comes from.
Get a pen and paper, write this down.
Mr. G has some civil infractions that the court would not have any objection to setting aside. People don't have any objection. Mr. Berry, if your pen is ready.
Ready, Your Honor.
Expired plate. Okay. Defective equipment. Expired plate. Disregarding a red signal. Those are the ones that the court would not have any objections setting aside. There's two other ones that are older. 16 to 20 that he's gonna have to pay, and a no insurance proof, no proof that he's gonna have to pay that he owes $288 on. Mr. G, Mr. Berry is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right. join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's see. This is the city of Detroit versus Anthony Juwan Garrett, case number SP 597738, counts 1 and counts 3. Mr. Garrett, good morning. Will you state your name for the record, please?
Anthony Garrett.
Today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. Let's see what the deal was on this. I see that you paid both of your obligations. We're going to dismiss the disregarding officer signal. We're going to close out the open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. All right.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, have a great day. How did Mason get in? Good morning, Ms. Mason. How did you,
Good morning, Your Honor.
how did you sign in?
I just signed it as Dia Mason, the usual.
Yeah, I don't know how you got in the room when I didn't let you in the room.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go, if you give, I'll go to room 4, Judge.
Very good.
Yeah.
That's the problem. All right, are we ready, Mr. Berry, with Mr. G?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. G. Mr. G, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. G?
Yes, please.
All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date of June the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you.
There's nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
I need probably help with the first name. I'm sorry if I mispronounce it, but Dynasty Faith Lucas, did I get that correct?
Dynasty.
Dynasty Faith, I'm sorry. This is the city of Detroit versus Dynasty Faith Lucas, case number SP 1679212, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lucas, for the record.
Dynasty Faith Lucas. For the record.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lucas, Mr. Berry is going to speak to you in a breakout room. He's going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Pass the matter. The Motorola Moto G. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please?
Roger Lewis.
Roger Lewis. Good morning to you.
I had to use another phone because my phone it doesn't work on the Zoom.
Okay. I got you checked in, sir. Okay. Harris?
Yes.
You are, so just mute yourself until the time.
Your Honor, could you read me the ticket ending in 513 that indicates on the docket it says accident?
525, accident 525. I don't have any tickets here. All I have is ROAs. Let's see, I do have one ticket, but I don't have, that's the only ticket I have.
When I looked up the ROA, it says accident, defective, or missing equipment.
Yeah,
And I'm just trying to figure out, is this coded that he would get points for an accident or is it?
Let's order the ticket and see if that.
Okay, thank you. And could we also check the status of Mr. Goins' license? Thank you.
Yes. All right, let's pass the matter. All right, Miss Gloria, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Well, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Gloria Guerra Vigen, last name Guerra hyphen B as in boy, IEGEN.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that you will that you will interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English, to the best of your ability?
I do.
Very well. I'm gonna get you going in 1 second. Mr. Berry, are you ready on Ms. Lucas?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lucas. Ms. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Lucas has shown valid registration as well as insurance, and we seek dismissal of these matters.
Ms. Lucas, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Mr. Goins' license is valid. Did you order the ticket? Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna order the tickets. All right. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Gloria. This is the city of Detroit versus Oscar Adrian Gonzalez Mazaringo. Case number SP 1673954, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 167-57561. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamando al caso de la Fiscalía en contra del señor Oscar Adrián González Manzarico, el caso número SP 1673954, cargos 1 y 2, y cargo SP 1675716. Por favor, sus comparecencias para que consten en actas.
Sí. Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Mazariego.
El licenciado Elwood Berry, Jr., a nombre del acusado, por favor, señor Mazariego, diga su nombre completo para que conste en acta.
Osber Adrián González Mazariegos.
Oscar Adrián González Mazariego.
Okay,
correct.
Today is time. Good morning, Mr. Mazariegos. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, señor Mazariego. Hoy es el día y el tiempo en que se ha fijado para una audiencia previa al juicio. El señor Berry le va a hacer una oferta. Si usted no le gusta, usted tiene el absoluto derecho de ir a un juicio.
Okay.
Join the breakout room, please.
Por favor, métase en el cuarto de privado para platicar con su abogado.
That's fine. Since we're waiting on Goins' ticket, we'll call the city of Detroit versus Tierra Lachey Good. Case number SP 1287227 SP 1458821. Shares for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Good, please state your name for the record.
Yourself, Ms. Good. Start your video, please.
Can you hear me now?
I can. State your name, please. You getting out of the driver's seat and into the passenger seat of a car?
I'm in the passenger seat.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You know, not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Good, give Ms. Good an updated offer. She owes $288 on it, no insurance, no proof, along with 2, 3, 4 other civil infractions. Ms. Good, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer, right? Join the room, please.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter.
Yeah.
You can get all of them. I think there's just only one. Oh, okay.
Let's fight.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Good. Ms. Good, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting that the court would check the status of her license.
Yeah, check the status of the license. Okay, so I'll turn off skipper bridge. But
Ms. Good, your device is not muted.
Is this why she gets from the passenger side? I mean, she thinks that she moves from the driver's side to the passenger side? Can you check? And then you yeah. This is the only one you can see. Yes. Good morning to you. Well, Mr. Goins, that accident, defective or missing equipment is written under 257.683. 257 683. Ms. Goins' license is valid. She can get back on the driver's seat.
You mean Ms. Good's license is valid?
Ms. Good's license and Mr. Goins' license, both are valid.
Okay, thank you very much.
This is valid. I see it once before.
And if I could just have a moment to see what points are associated with that, it would be appreciated. And so
Kent,
we're ready, Your Honor, on Good and Goins.
So Lloyd.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good morning to you. Turn your camera on, please.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to figure out, I don't see you on the docket at all. Let me see if I can see what's going on.
Where did she go? I need the interpreter back in breakout room 2.
Breakout room 2, okay.
You're not supposed to be here until 1:30.
It's at 1:30, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
We can arraign them now, Lloyd. That's one of those persons you have to worry about. Okay. We can- All right. You at work now?
Yes, sir.
And do you are you gonna be at work at 1:30 too?
Yes, sir, but by then I'll be on break at 1:30, sir.
You wanna come back? I can, they're just gonna get you another court date now. We'll get you another court date now if you wanna get out of here.
Yes, sir. That'll be perfect.
All right, City of Detroit versus Tamar Lloyd, case number SP 129-96611, SP 1621506, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3, SP 1697808, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1697809, counts 1 and counts 2. State appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lloyd, please state your name for the record.
Tamar Lloyd.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll also call into the record State of Michigan versus Tamar Steen Lloyd, case number SX 4365549, counts 1 and counts 2. Date and time set for willing or not guilty on his behalf, we'll give him a $0 fine. And we're gonna have you back on May the 7th, what is that? I was using some new dates that she had. Oh, 6/16. Let's come back up for a pretrial on 6/12/2025 at 8:30. All right. He has one no insurance proof that went into default. He owes $328 on that. If there's a reinstatement fee, I'll allow him to pay that up front.
Babies, right there, the mouthpiece.
I'll allow you to pay that reinstatement fee up front. You have to bring $45 down to the courthouse. There's no better way I can let you pay that instead of bringing it down to the courthouse and paying that in person. And that should get you clearances here at the 36th District Court. Come back June 12, 2025 at 8:30 for something further. Sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Not really, like that.
Mr. Johnson, you're free to leave, Mr. Lloyd, if you got all that.
Okay, thank you. I did. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I have specialty court attorney Warfield in here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Your client's in the breakout room. Go to 6. Good morning, Counselor Warfield. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Ganache.
Thank you, Your Honor, and good morning.
All right.
Your Honor.
Yes.
We check the license of Mr. Marceriego, Gonzalez Marceriego.
Let's go back on the record. Is that you? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goins. Mr. Goins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Mr. Goins has valid license, registration, and insurance. All of those matters would be dismissed. The remaining matter would be the improper equipment. Mr. Goins, as I indicated, that's a 0-point offense that does not abstract to your driving record. Did you want to admit to that and pay the associated fine, or would you like an opportunity to repair the defective equipment in return?
Pay the fine.
Your Honor, we would stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis and stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
With that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of, as charged to the accident 525, $170. When can you pay it?
Can I get like 60 days? Because I'm kind of backed up right now.
60 days. I'm gonna give you 30 days.
Okay.
30 days, 5/21/2025, and then you can get into a payment plan. So either get into a payment plan before that date or have it paid off. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Barnes, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yeah, I have one more thing. You say it's 170 and it's due by when? 5/21?
521, either pay it or get into a payment plan.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Berry, your client's license is expired.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have we
This
approached?
is-
I'll go to, let's see.
You
I
can
guess,
speak.
yes, we need to return to the breakout room.
I think he might have fell off.
Yeah, he may very well have.
Here he is. Mr. Gonzalez? Mr. Gonzalez, are you there?
He has an interpreter.
Yeah, I'll put him back in the breakout room. Go join the breakout room, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Good. Ms. Good, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to come today with a valid license. We'll ask for dismissal.
Ms. Good, you still owe this 288. I don't know how long this license is going to be valid for if this is not taken care of.
Yes, sir, I understand. I was telling the clerk that when I came down to the court.
Let's turn your camera on. Let's not talk.
Your Honor, when she turns her camera on, her audio is very distorted, so I did suggest that she keep it off.
Okay, all right.
I'm sorry. I'm in a rural area right now, but I was just come down to the court. I did pay a no insurance ticket, but I didn't know I had two of them. They only told me about that one ticket that was holding my license. So I did make the one payment of, I think it was like $288. I didn't know I had a second charge or ticket for that. So I can try to get that. I'm out of town right now, but when I return in town next week, I could go down there to make the payment. That wouldn't be a problem.
And you owe 126, 288, and 216, okay? Those are the other things you owe.
Okay.
Right.
And would I be able to get a payment plan? Okay.
I'm sure
would I
they
be able
will.
to payment like the okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, Ms. Good, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Devin Lee, case number SP 1676990, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Jerica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Lee.
Devin Lee.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Lee, he owes, he's paid down a 1 to 5, $198 down to $33. So go with the two cases, Mr. Lee. Mr. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Good morning, Judge. I just wanted to let you know Destiny Larkins was my case, Melita Barrett.
Destiny Larkins.
Yes.
I don't know if she's appeared yet. Yes, she is.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, she is. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Mr. Warling, good morning to you. What is your client's name? or City of Detroit, versus, Shatazia O'Gwen. Case number is, SP 1599815, counts 1 and counts 2 is reviewed. Ms. O'Gwen, can you state your name? Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Shantisa O'Gwen.
I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a review. I see you paid one completely. I'm going to dismiss that one. You owe another $40 on the other one. When are you going to pay that, ma'am?
I can pay it on the 1st.
Well, do you want to come back and make sure it gets dismissed?
Yes, sir. That's fine.
You don't have to. If you pay it, then I'll see it in here. You don't have to. I'll give you a pretrial. I mean a review date on 5/21/2025. I'm going to dismiss the other matter if you paid it. All right.
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You too. Thank you.
Are we ready on Mr. Ganache?
Your Honor, I did speak with Mr. Ganache and his attorney. Based off of the conversation, Mr. Ganache is eligible for our program, but he is not interested in it at this time.
Have they finished talking? Okay, you're free to leave then. I appreciate you, Ms. Warfield.
No problem, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, Mr. Berry, are we ready on your claim?
We are ready, Your Honor. I'm not sure we didn't lose him again. I don't see his interpreter.
He's here. He's
I'm
here.
here.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor González, le di la oportunidad de que hablara con su abogado. Estamos de nuevo, que conste en actas. ¿Qué es lo que quiere usted hacer? No, disculpe, el señor abogado, ¿cómo vamos a proceder?
Your Honor, my client would seek a bench trial date to return with documents.
Sí, su señoría. Mi cliente está buscando que se le dé una fecha de juicio en lo que él busca su documentación.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gonzalez?
¿Eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor González? Señor Oscar Adrián González Manzariego.
Where is he? Unmute yourself, sir, and start your camera.
Señor González Mazariego, abra su micrófono y empiece su cámara, por favor.
Estoy aquí.
You want a trial date, sir? Are you sitting in the driver's seat of a vehicle and it says you don't have a valid driver's license?
Señor, usted está sentado en el sitio del conductor de un vehículo y usted no tiene una licencia de conducir válida.
No, yo no estoy manejando por el momento.
I'm not driving at this moment.
I know. I'm talking about the next moment.
Yo lo sé, pero estoy hablando del siguiente momento.
No.
I'm going to give you a trial date on June the 27th, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Le voy a dar una fecha de juicio, señor, para junio 27 del 2025 a las 9 de la mañana. Si ya no hay nada, esto es todo y que tenga un buen día y la mejor suerte para usted.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you. Be safe. All right, Ms.
Gracias,
Gloria, I have another person that may need an interpreter. I'm going to see. I'm letting that person in now. You're free to leave, Mr. Gonzalez.
Usted ya se puede retirar, señor González.
Gracias.
Thank you. Yes, Your Honor. I have a name here, Lopez Flavio Padilla. Is that the person you are talking about?
No, this is Gonzalez as well. I can't do this, but.
Okay. Mrs. Gonzalez.
Gonzalez, good morning. Francis Gonzalez.
Señora Francisca González o Francis González.
Disculpe, yo soy González, Oscar Zacarías González.
Oh, discúlpeme. Es el señor Oscar Zacarías González. Ok. It's
Exactamente.
Mr. Oscar Zacarías González.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. All right, let's call it. You need to get do you need to get the ambulance? You need some medical?
I can't hear you.
You need some medical attention?
No.
Let's get him, let's see if we can get him and hear his case. Mr. Kent, did you bring valid insurance, sir? No. He doesn't have to get up. City of Detroit versus Kent Angelo Lynch, case number SP 167-57601. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lynch, please state your name for the record.
My name? Yes. Kent Lynch.
All right, day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Lynch is showing me valid. Mr. Lynch is showing me valid insurance, and I'm going to dismiss the case. Mr. Lynch, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right. Case
I can't hear you. My ears are shot.
Case dismissed.
Oh, case dismissed.
You are.
I got a question at you, sir.
Yes.
If I wouldn't have came down here, they would have put a warrant out for my arrest, right?
No, you would have got on Zoom. You could have got on Zoom. They would have done a show cause at first.
Yeah, but I should have been down here at 3 o'clock this morning, just sat outside, but I didn't want to take a chance. There's so much stuff happening in the streets, and then when I got up at 6 o'clock, it took me almost 3 hours to get here. So I'm sorry I'm late.
No issue with being late, sir. No issue. If I wish you would have been able to get on Zoom and you wouldn't have had to come down at all.
Well, I called last month, I think it was, and they said, no, we want you to come to court. Because I just paid a fine in February for no insurance. As the traffic cop said, I went through a red light over here on Connors and Canfield at the soup kitchen, and it was a blue and white behind me. Why would I go through a red light? And I got a blue and white, but the traffic cop on the other side going northbound made a U-turn and pulled me over. But that's that. But so I gotta do I get some kind of piece of paper? So
we'll get you some paperwork.
Okay, cool.
All right.
My next question, I asked your worker right here, but she said, no, you can't do that. I was trying to slow down my heart, but I know I can't do it in court. I was gonna lay on the floor.
Dismiss. All right, let's City of Detroit versus Oscar Gonzalez, case number SP 166-98211, SP 166-98876, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 166-98891. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamando al caso de la ciudad de Detroit en contra del señor Oscar Zacarías González, las multas, los números de caso SP 16698-211, SP 1669876, cargo 1 y 2, SP 1669881, comparecencias para el récord, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Abogado Elwood Berry Jr., a nombre del acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en actas.
Ok, mi nombre completo es Oscar Arnaldo Zacarías González.
My full name is Oscar Arnaldo Zacarías González.
All right, today is Officer Burley. Good morning to you. Can you state your name and your badge number and department for the record? Wait on Ms. Gloria to translate, please.
Tenemos al oficial presente. Por favor, oficial, diga su nombre completo para que conste en las actas. Solamente espere, por favor, a que la intérprete traduzca esto para el acusado.
Officer Burley?
Officer Burley, batch 454, Detroit Police.
Soy el oficial Burley de 454 del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gonzalez. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Buenos días, señor. Bueno, señor González, lo voy a poner en una habitación privada para que usted hable con su abogado, el licenciado Berry. Por favor, él le va a presentar una oferta, pero por favor mantenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta, usted tiene el absoluto derecho para ir a un juicio, ¿ok?
Find a room, please. And Officer Burley, if it's necessary, I can let you speak to the city attorney. We'll see how.
Okay, okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Sierra Golf, case number SP 1147107-2, SP 1269526-1, SP 1284123-1, SP 1370235-1, SP 1370255-1, SP 1619304, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 7910481. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Goff, please state your name for the record.
Sierra Goff.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Your client got into a payment plan on all the civil infractions. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris, get Ms. Goff an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Goff, then you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Be safe.
Your Honor, I also had Devin Lee.
Pass that matter. Ms. Goff, join the breakout room, please, and wait on Ms. Harris. All right, are we ready on lead?
Ready, Your Honor.
If you need some more time, you can take some more time. Mr.
Let me take Your Honor.
If you need some more time, you can take some more time.
I'm trying to go downstairs and just lay on the ground for a little while. You ain't lay on the ground.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too.
Be safe.
Be safe. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting, I guess, a trial date. He has an appointment upcoming with the Secretary of State.
All right, trial is June the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Lee. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay? Mr.
Thank
Lee,
you.
are you
You
there?
too.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
All right, you heard that. Yeah. All right, go ahead in the breakout room and speak to Ms. Scott, please. This is the city of Detroit versus Zachary Paul Ganache, case number U720000125 and Z8095431. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the Honorable Court, Vassal Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Ganache.
Speak. Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, sir. Zachary Paul Ganesh.
All right, Mr. Ganesh, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What are we going to do with these cases, Mr. Johnson?
Judge, thank you for the meeting with Ms. Warfield. After a long conversation, I'm respectfully asking if Mr. Ganache could go into the Sacred Heart, that program, and then we can reconvene here to work out a resolution first on behalf of his matters. And it should be 30 days.
How do we get the drug testing done?
So he's going to be inside of the program starting tomorrow and not leave until about 3 weeks after that.
They'll write a letter to the probation.
All right. All right, and how long are you going to be in that program, sir?
It's 3 to 5 detox, and then it's 14 to 21 days inpatient. It's all inpatient.
Almost 30.
It's
right.
about like 30 days.
30 days.
That's the most they can keep you, but it's usually 21 days. I've had success there before.
Well, you haven't had that great of success.
One second, Dennis, please.
Do you follow me? I mean, if the allegations are true, you haven't had that much of success because we're back down this road again. And there's some serious allegations of your violation of the court's order.
Yes, Judge. That's why I want to go inpatient.
I hope that's not the only reason why you want to go inpatient.
No, I really want to go because I want to get my life better. I really do.
That's what I hope. But
yeah.
I want him back as soon as he comes out of that program, the day he comes out of that program.
Understood.
Yes,
I want him back. I want him tested that day. I know those places are pretty secure, but I don't, are they, is there some way they can get drugs in there? I don't know, but you say that they will get you a letter to the probation department. So I want that letter.
Sir.
And you say 21 days. Do you think it's going to be 21 days or you think it's going to be 30 days? You've got experience.
It's up to the counselors there.
So it's 3 to 5 and then 14 to 21. 3 to 5 detox and then 14 to 21. Add the two together. So the most he could do it seems to be 26.
I'm gonna set it for May the 12th.
Perfect.
So the most he can do is 26, right?
Yes.
You want to set it for May the 13th?
Sure.
That's the 26th day.
Sure.
May the 13th, Mr. Ganache. I seriously wish you the best of luck. I mean, you have to want to do it, and I don't mean to try to, take away from the success you had as far as completing the program last time. But the ultimate success, I think that everyone wants to see, including yourself, is that you go through this program and there's no relapse and you put this stuff totally in your rearview mirror.
Exactly. I totally agree with you, Judge.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Now we're still have to address those bond violation issues when you come back. That's not going to go away until those are addressed, and then we'll see how the case progresses from there. But I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. All right, come back.
Yes, sir. And I'll send a letter to the probation when I get there tomorrow. Or the counselor as well.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir, and best of luck to you.
Just want to confirm the time, May 13, 8:30?
8:30, always,
okay.
Mr.
Awesome. Okay, just making sure so he knows him and his mother. Okay, thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thanks,
bye-bye. See you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Goff. Ms. Goff, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the court enter a not guilty plea on her behalf and appoint counsel. I've provided her contact information in the chat. We're also asking if the court is able to glean whether there are any matters that she could potentially pay to help her come into good standing with regards to her license.
288, 1, 2, 3, 4 times at least. That's what the court sees. Insurance no proof 288 4 times. All right, I'm gonna. That what you want to do, Miss Goff?
Yes.
Miss Goff, you've been here before, correct?
Yes.
And you missed the court date, correct?
Yes.
All right, we can't keep having you missing court dates.
Yes, sir.
You have to step up and get the stuff taken care of, but missing court dates, next time we're gonna put a cash bond on you if you continue to miss these dates.
Yes, sir.
You see that you got into the payment plan, but let's
I
get
came
this.
down last weekend, paid to get my warrant lifted, and paid the first ticket and got on the payment plan.
And that's spending unnecessary money because you didn't have to pay that money to get that warrant lifted.
Okay.
If you would have showed up. Pretrial, let's set you a pretrial date for June the 12th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is just set so that that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by that date, on that date, we will get one appointed for you on the spot. We're also going to put it on track for trial on June 27th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, again, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on June the 12th, 2025 at 8:30. Do you have any further questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day.
Thank you. You too.
This is the city of Detroit. Yes.
Yes, this is Officer Mitchell. Has the prosecutor checked, and I have to begin my commute to work?
Yeah, the prosecutor's here. On Gandy. Gandy is here as well. I'm gonna put you in You can go speak to the prosecutor
Okay, thank you.
if Burley wants to speak to the prosecutors. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Denzel Littleton. Case numbers SP 1553454, counts 1, and counts 2 SP 167698342. That's strike that SP 16798. Excuse me. Appearance for the record, please.
Denzel Littleton, how you doing?
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Littleton.
All right, good morning, Mr. Littleton. That one case number I called into the record, SP 155345542, that was not on the docket. That is no insurance proof. So we'll just, he started to pay $50 toward that. That doesn't seem like it's affecting his license. So we'll strike that from the record. Mr. Littleton, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me put you in a breakout room and talk to Ms. Harris and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
Join the room, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Ms. Barrett, yeah, Ms. Larkins. All right, Mr. Barry, are you ready on your client?
Ready as to Mr. Gonzalez, Your Honor.
All right, and then Ogletree, are you ready? And let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your
Ok,
Honor,
vamos a regresar al acta en el caso del señor González. Señor González, le di una oportunidad de hablar en privado con su abogado. Señor abogado, ¿cómo vamos a proceder?
we'd ask the court to confirm his valid license.
Le pedimos a este
All right.
juzgado que confirme que tiene una licencia válida de conducir.
We've already confirmed that his license. Let's run the driver's license. Oscar Gonzalez.
Hemos ya confirmado al señor. No, vamos a volver a checar. Oscar González.
Oscar Gonzalez license is valid.
Yes, Your Honor.
Licencia del señor Oscar González es válida.
That being the case, Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez has shown he has valid insurance. He's shown that he's shown and demonstrated that he has his brake lights are operative, and that the tinted windows have been removed from his vehicle.
Sí, juez, el señor González ha demostrado que tiene una póliza de seguro válida. También demostró que las luces de los frenos están operando y también demostró que ha quitado o removido el tinte de sus ventanas del automóvil.
All right, go in the breakout room. Officer is in there now. Let them know and see if there's any objection.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ok, vamos al cuarto privado. El oficial está ahí. Veamos si hay alguna objeción de su parte. Sí, su señor.
Mr. Warbling, are you ready? Miss Barrett, what about Mr. Ogletree was here first. And then Miss Medina, good morning.
Class or something that you can take.
Judge, I'm here, Judge.
Did you call me?
I did call you.
Did my officer show up?
Yes, for at least one of them, yes. For Destiny Larkins, yes.
Oh, okay. Well, who's the city attorney?
Miss Mason, I'm gonna go to breakout room 4.
Okay.
Sorry, Mr. Judge, on Mr. Green.
Who are you here on?
It was Quincy Green, Judge.
I haven't seen Quincy Green. Is Quincy Green here? I have not seen Quincy Green.
Okay, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, Mr. Berry, is there any objection to the dismissal for providing valid documentation?
No objection, Your Honor. Mr. Officer Burley's happy to that this compliance has come into place.
Well, we have to get the interpreter back out. All right, Mr. Berry, let's do that again. Is there any objection from the city for dismissal for compliance?
No objection.
Señor González está presente. Is Mr. González present? I'm sorry.
Okay, he's back. He's back.
Okay. ¿Hay alguna objeción del oficial Burley para que se conlleve este arreglo?
No objection, Your Honor, from the officer.
No hay ninguna objeción, su señoría, de parte del oficial.
All right, case dismissed, Mr. Gonzalez, for providing valid documentation. You be safe out there, and Officer Burley, you be safe as well. Best of luck to you both.
Yes,
Señor
sir.
González, el caso ha sido desestimado por mostrar las documentaciones válidas, así que les deseo que tenga un buen día y también mucha suerte a usted y mucha suerte al oficial Burley. Los dos manténganse seguros ahí afuera.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Que tengan buen día.
Igualmente. Que tengan buen día.
Same to you. Have a good day.
John, I do have a quick question.
And that is, Officer Burley.
I'm also here for Roderick Gooding. I didn't know if that person checked in yet.
Roderick Gooding. I don't see Gooden on the file. Let me check and see what's going on with that.
Okay.
G-O-O-D-E-N?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at and Roderick Dion Gooden.
It just has his first initial and last name. SP16801. Yeah.
431 or 701. He'll be back on the pretrial June the 9th.
June the 9th. Okay, thank you.
Be safe out there, officer.
Yes, sir. You too as well. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Medina, are you there? Officer Tias, good morning to you. You have a question?
Yes, Your Honor. I was wondering if a Mr. DeJuan Lawrence had showed up yet.
DeJuan Lawrence, is there a DeJuan Lawrence? I do not have, let me do this. DeJuan Lawrence.
Okay, that's it.
DeJuan Lawrence, I don't hear a DeJuan Lawrence. And Joy Lewis, is it Joy Lewis here? I don't see a Joy Lewis. And Flavio Padilla, he's Lopez is here with Miss Medina. So no offers, no on Lawrence. Officer, you're free to leave. Be safe. And
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well.
Be safe. Drake is good morning to you. Free to leave to be safe. In Canada, good morning to you. You're free to leave. Be safe. All right.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. You said Officer Canada?
Yes, good morning to you. Let's see, Lawrence, no Lewis, no Lawrence or Lewis.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, you as well. All right, let me get Mr. Berry. Are you ready, Mr. Berry, for someone?
I'm ready for someone, Your Honor.
All right, let's call this case, this is the city of Detroit versus Lestar Star Green, case number SP 167-74381, SP 167-443, counts 1 and counts 2. Here for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Lestar Star Green.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, get Ms. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Green, you have an absolute right to the trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Devin Lee? Are we ready on Littleton?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Littleton. Mr. Littleton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor, but we would also need discovery, and I guess that would require us to appoint an attorney.
Is this a good phone number from you, sir? Did you speak to the city about discovery?
I have not spoken to the city yet, Your Honor.
Go in there and make sure they let them know that we're signing the counsel. We want that discovery by the next court date, please.
Will do, Your Honor.
Mr. Is this the best phone number, 313-400-7562 for you?
Correct, sir. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I need you to come back on this June the 12th at 8:30. That date is set to see if that attorney has contacted you.
Okay.
If that attorney has not contacted you by that date, then we're gonna get one on that date appointed on the spot. Then we're gonna keep it on set for trial on June 27th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Littleton, you have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you. So I'll have to appear June 12th and the 27th, correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Kaylin Annette Lang Ray, case number SP 101. Strike that. City of Detroit versus Kaylin Annette Lang Ray and the state of Michigan versus Kaylin Annette Lang Ray. SP 102-1560, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11785-981. SP 1293671. SX 360412221. Appearance for the record, please.
Kaylin. Sorry.
Warrant to you, ma'am.
Your Honor, I seem to have lost privileges. I can't seem to navigate here. No. I don't get it.
You're there. You need to go to the breakout room with Miss.
Yes, with Miss Green. Thank you.
Go back in the breakout room, Madam Interpreter, and for Mr. Berry.
Thank you.
Ms. Langray, did you state your name for the record, please?
Yes. Kaylin Langray.
Give me a second. Let me get Ms. Harris back out here.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter momentarily. Ogletree, are you ready on Gandy?
Yeah, ready on Gilbert and Ganty. On Ganty, we're requesting another pretrial, scheduling it to a pretrial date.
Well, isn't it set for trial today?
Yes.
So
Yeah, but I want to submit a deviation request.
Did you talk to the city about that?
I did, and they were okay with it. There are some special circumstances in this.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Christina Marie Gandy. Case number SP 1659346. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Ms. Ganty. Ms. Ganty, can you unmute and state your name?
Christina M. Gandy, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Officer Mitchell, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? I got Officer Mitchell marked as appeared. I'm going to give you a pretrial date for June the 13th, 2025 at 8:30. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Ms. Gandy, best of luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Destiny Gilbert, case number B136566324, B136564424, B136565524. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Ms. Gilbert. Ms. Gilbert, can you unmute and state your name?
Destiny Gilbert.
Good morning, Ms. Gilbert. Officer Hooks, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance, please?
Good morning, Officer Hooks with Detroit Animal Control, badge number 7.
Start your video, please.
Yes. There's a resolution in this matter, Your Honor. She's going to plead to the nuisance, and that's going to be under a 3-month delayed sentence. She's going to plead no contest for reasons of civil liability, and the other 2 charges are going to be dismissed.
You got that agreement on the record with the city?
Yeah, that's what we agreed to. 3-month delayed sentence.
For the no contest plea?
Yes.
You want, that's the deal you want, Ms. Gilbert?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Mr. Ogletree, do you understand the maximum possible penalty, Ms. Gilbert, for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ogletree went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, will you stipulate to the allegations on the ticket as an active factual basis for that no contest plea on your client's behalf?
Yes.
All right, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna enter a no contest plea. It's gonna be treated as a guilty plea for sentencing, ma'am. There's a $240 fine, 3-month delay. Make sure it's paid by July 17th, 2025 at 8:25 is your next court date. If it's paid by then and you don't get any other trouble, then this will be removed from your record. You paid it and you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that, did that after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. You too.
Welcome. Miss,
Thank you,
all right, you're welcome. Miss Medina, are you ready on Lopez? And you be safe out there, Officer Hooks.
Give me one moment. I'm getting the attorney. She was on the record in Romulus. One second.
That's all right. Let's go, Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lang Ray. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on for Ms. Lang Ray, please?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lang Ray, please state your name for the record.
Caitlin Langray.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, get Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer, Ms. Lang Ray. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
All right, join the room, please.
And Your Honor, just by way of an update, I can alert the city attorney to a request for discovery, but they need the actual request to come from the appointed attorney so that they have someone to send it to.
No, you can alert them to have it ready by the time we get there to next court date. And that's what the court wants to see. I'm not gonna keep on adjourning these cases for discovery. If the request is made, the expectation by the court is gonna be that they have that in the file ready to go when that other attorney gets here. I'm gonna let Ms. Mason or Ms. Walker know that.
Okay, I think they need to know that because otherwise it would have to be sent to me or whoever makes the request.
They can have it available.
Not quite.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
All right, join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, sorry for interrupting. This is the interpreter. I wasn't needed with the attorney Berry, but I wonder if I am needed for Lopez Flavio Padilla.
You are. We're just
Okay.
waiting on the lawyer to get finished with another hearing.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your patience.
No problem, thank you.
So it is like
Hello.
Give me a minute, please. Good morning to you. I'm waiting on a lawyer.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I am so sorry, Judge. I had been waiting, of course, on the record the 2 times you called me.
This is the city of Detroit versus Flavio Padilla Lopez.
And then, Judge, we have Mr. Johnson's case. Sorry, I'm putting this down, Judge. I didn't. McGillis. Sorry. Sorry, Your Honor.
SP 1661879, counts 1 and counts 2, appearance for the record, please.
Esta es la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor López Flavio Padilla. Multa número SP 166188791, cargos 1 y 2. Comparecencias para el acta, por favor.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Flavio Padilla Lopez.
La abogada Crystal Medina, su señoría, a nombre del señor Padilla López.
All right, Mr. Lopez, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Señor López, buenos días. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en actas.
Your Honor, he is present here in my office. I'm just not, I guess I'm wondering if the officer appeared or what's going on, Judge, because I hadn't spoken to anyone.
All right, put name for the record, please.
Su nombre para la...
Su nombre
Flavio
para el
Padilla.
acta, por favor.
Flavio Padilla Lopez.
Flavio Padilla López.
Okay. Officer Speak, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, sir. Officer Speak, Detroit Police Department, badge 3617.
Oficial Speak, ¿puede por favor poner su nombre para el acta? Sí, buenos días. Soy el oficial Speak. Buenos días, aquí presente para el caso del señor López.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. I'll go to breakout room 4 and speak with the city and see if you can work it out. Please, Ms. Medina.
Hoy es el día y el tiempo que se ha designado para la audiencia previa al juicio. Los voy a poner en un cuarto privado, el cuarto número 4, para que platiquen y puedan venir después con una resolución.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, tu señoría.
Madam Interpreter, she's in the office with the other with the counsel, and so there won't be a need to go in the breakout room.
Okay, so I just wait here.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, let's go.
Sorry, Judge, it disconnected me. I just wasn't seeing anything. If you could put me in that breakout room, thank you.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Star Green. Mr. Berry.
We would ask the court to confirm her valid license.
She does. That license is valid.
And Your Honor, therefore, she has presented valid insurance as well as registration. We seek dismissal.
All right, Ms. Green, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Yes, you too. Thank you.
Well, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus Ariana Alexandria Guerrero, case number SB 1653058, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 1653251. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Guerrero.
Ariana Alexandria Guerrero.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Guerrero, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, the license is suspended, Mr. Berry. There were 2 other civil infractions. The court wouldn't have any issue with setting them aside. No insurance proof. She owes $288 on that. I wouldn't have any objection to allowing her to pay the reinstatement fee up front, and a expired plate.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Guerrero. Mr. Berry's gonna speak with you, all right?
Okay.
That's what you want to do when you come out. That's the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lang Ray. Ms. Lang Ray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, all these cases dismissed.
That is correct, Your Honor. She was able to present her Arizona registration, insurance, and license. And I did discuss this with the city attorney.
I don't know how they check the license if it's good. Case is dismissed, Ms. Lang Ray. If there's nothing further, be safe. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Zero. Thank you.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Roger William Lewis, case number SP 1649646, counts 1 and 2. SP 1649681, SP 1649681. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record. You have to unmute your devices.
Roger William Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond. There was an off-docket matter of an expired plate. I wouldn't have any objection to allow him to be heard on that.
I got the insurance.
All right, join the room, Mr. Lewis, and speak with Ms. Harris. Keep in mind, you're going to get an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Where's Miss Barrett? I don't know. Can you get her back in here? And where does she? She just leaves. She was here. Larkins is sitting in the waiting room. Trial. She's been waiting. Ms. Langray.
Yes. So I wanted to ask a quick question. When would this like actually be off of my driving record? I know it's dismissed, but like, is there a time frame today?
It should be. Hey, I think it goes instantly to the Secretary of State.
Okay. That's all I really wanted.
So I can't really answer that. I think it's going to be out there today. But it'll be out our system today when we put it in.
All right, copy that. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Bye.
reviews. Those are some two reviews. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Your counsel,
Yes.
your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor, pre-trial date, please, and thank you.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I think you were here before as well and missed a court date. We can't keep on doing this. All right.
I did. I know.
June
I missed the
13th,
one.
2025 at 8:30, Mr. Lewis. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. June 13th.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Bye-bye. This is the city of Detroit versus Lene Lockridge, case number SB 1581334, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lockridge, please state your name for the record.
Lene Lockridge.
Turn your camera on now.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Ms. Lockridge, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I think Ms. Lockridge has been here before. Join the room, please.
She said she's in.
Yes, and then we're going to wait.
She said
She said what?
they may go forward to try.
Your Honor, oh, sorry, I didn't know if you're on the record.
Yes, good morning, yes.
We are ready on Mr. Padilla.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given your counsel an opportunity to speak. What does your client want to do?
Ok, volvemos al acta con el señor López. Señor López, le di la oportunidad de que usted hablara con su abogado. ¿Qué es lo que quiere hacer?
Your Honor, at this time, my understanding is that this case is being dismissed at this time, Your Honor.
Su señoría, en este momento mi entendimiento es de que la oferta, de que este caso se está desestimando, su señoría.
And that was through your conversation with Ms. Mason, is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor, after her speaking with the officer, and if the officer is I would thank the officer for his consideration.
Y eso fue después de que tuvo la conversación con el señor Mason. ¿Es correcto? Sí, su señoría, después de que tuvimos esa conversación con el oficial.
Okay, case dismissed. Mr. Lopez, Mr. Officer, speak. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you and be safe out there.
Ok, el caso está desestimado, señor López. El oficial Speak ha dado el acuerdo y si no hay nada más de qué hablar, entonces que tenga un buen día y cuídese.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su señoría.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Yes. Okay, Madam Interpreter, thank you so much. Have a very good weekend and I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Judge. It's nice seeing you, Your Honor. Take care. Have a good weekend.
See you. All right, we'll
Thank
see you soon.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lockridge. Ms. Lockridge, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a pretrial date.
Yes, Your Honor, she has to take her exam for the roll test.
Ms. Lockridge, have you been here before?
I have not been here before, but this
Turn your
is
camera on, man. Turn your camera on.
oh,
You say you've never been in front of me before?
I'm not driving, sir.
I didn't ask you, that wasn't my question. I said you have never been in front of me before?
No, this is my first time. I missed the first one.
Had you ever come before me before?
Not that, no.
Not that you recall, Ms. Lockridge?
I not that I recall, no.
I can't see how you wouldn't be able to recall.
There are some other issues at play, Your Honor, so I could probably understand if she didn't recall.
All right, I'll come back on June the 13th, Ms. Lockridge, June the 13th at 8:30 a.m., all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Guerrero. Ms. Guerrero, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display and the 2 off-docket matters to be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Guerrero?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights to break out, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to December the 5th, 2024, at around 12:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Telegraph and Bennett. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Can you say that again, the last part?
Did you have an occasion? Did you get stopped by the police?
Yes.
All right, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Yes, sir. And why is that?
Well, my license was taken away from me by the previous. I got arrested in Romulus, and that was when they took my license.
Let me save you some words. It's because you didn't have a valid license at the time?
No, it was valid. I just didn't have it on me on person.
It was written as a no-ops. And then it's suspended because of this insurance ticket. Right?
Yes.
What do you want to do? Do you want to take the deal or you want to go get the valid license and bring some valid license, registration, and insurance in?
Well, the vehicle is not mine. I didn't even know I didn't have valid insurance or plates. I was just taking, well, my brother had asked me to go pick up his friend for him, that it was okay. I didn't know. And then I got pulled over and found out that they weren't even valid.
Well, you got to make sure you check that stuff before you get in somebody's vehicle. But you want to take the deal or you want to go get a valid driver's license? Do you have a vehicle in your name?
No, I don't have no vehicle in my name. I don't own a vehicle.
What do you want to do?
If I get the valid license, what does that mean? If I go and pay off the other ticket to get a valid license?
Typically, the city will dismiss. You do still have these 2 other civil infractions. You can come back and we can, you can let the attorney advocate on your behalf as far as the civil infractions are concerned. But we want to see you with a valid license. That's the main thing.
Okay, I think I'm gonna take showing the valid license.
All right, you have to come down to the courthouse and pay $45.
Okay.
I'm allowing you to pay that reinstatement fee up front. That way, once you do that, then that should unsuspend your license. I would still suggest you go to the Secretary of State. You can probably make that same day appointment. Come down here first and pay the $45 and then go to the Secretary of State. I'm going to set this matter out for till June the 13th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. And if you happen to come into the Riches and you buy yourself that big, beautiful, brand new car and you get insurance on it, we'll take that under consideration, all right?
Okay, thank you.
So you know what to do from this point forward, right?
Yes.
Come down to the courthouse, pay the reinstatement fee up front. Once you do that, go to the Secretary of State, see if they give you a valid license. Come back on June 13th, 2025 at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Carrera. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Barrett, let's call it. This is the city of Detroit versus Destiny Marie Larkins. Case number SP 1571494, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Destiny Larkins. Judge, I spoke with the city attorney. They indicate the police officer has no recall. We make a motion to dismiss.
Officer Bush, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Did he leave? All right, case dismissed. No recollection. I'll waive the warrant fee. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
Destiny Larkins, state your name for the record, please.
I'm sorry.
State your name for the record, please.
Destiny Larkins.
All right, case dismissed, ma'am. I'll waive the warrant fee. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay,